Hi, this video is going to be on the 5-act structure. Now, Macbeth is split into 5 acts, and each act can be seen as a key point in the play's transition. Macbeth is also a tragedy, so if we follow the 5-act structure, we can see how our protagonist Macbeth ends up at his tragic ending. So in Act 1, we have the play's exposition. This is when all the key characters are introduced, and also the witches, they create their prophecy, which foreshadows a lot of what else happens in the play. This leads to Act 2, where we have our rising action. This is where Macbeth and Lady Macbeth plot to kill King Duncan, which ends in his murder, which then takes us to Act 3, the play's turning point or climax, where Macbeth becomes king. Now, as you can see from the shape of this diagram, everything from then on starts to go downhill for Macbeth. So in Act 4, we have the falling action. This is where Macbeth murders Macduff's family. This establishes a conflict between Macduff and Macbeth, which in Act 5 leads to our protagonist's catastrophe. Macduff gets revenge on Macbeth by murdering him, and this is how we end up at the play's finale for our protagonist. So hopefully you can see how the 5-act structure builds up to the tragic ending for Macbeth. Thanks for listening.